Welcome to our channel where we explore the delicious world of vegan baking. Today we're diving into the realm of chocolate bliss with a recipe for an amazing vegan chocolate biscuit. First, let's prepare the ingredients. For a 20 cm diameter sponge cake, 275 grams of flour, 250 grams of sugar, 30 grams cocoa powder, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 200 milliliters of milk, 100 grams of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon white vinegar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So, let's get started. 1. Turn on the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and prepare a round baking dish. Cover the inside with parchment paper and put parchment on the bottom. I honestly forgot about it. 2. Pour the vegetable oil, sugar, milk and vanilla extract into a whisk bowl. Using a whisk or electric mixer, mix the ingredients until smooth for 5 minutes. 4. Add the dry ingredients, sift in the flour, baking powder, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. It is better to sift as cocoa usually clumps and will remain lumps in the dough, and mix thoroughly. Add vinegar and mix again. Five. Pour the batter into the prepared baking dish and spread evenly. Six. Bake in the preheated oven for 50 to 60 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. 7. Once baked, remove the pie from the oven and let it cool in the pan for 10 minutes, then transfer it to a rack to cool completely. 8. Wrap the cooled biscuit in foil or plastic bag and put it in the refrigerator for 4 hours, or better overnight. That's all. Vegan chocolate biscuit, perfect for layering with your favorite fillings and glazes, is ready. Remember that baking is not just following a recipe, it is an investment of love and creativity in every step. Whether you are treating yourself or sharing with loved ones, let your cake bring joy and sweetness to every moment. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious vegan recipes. Happy baking!